upload your manuscript, your actual book. They have a cover creator, so you can literally like have your own covers created and you can do it yourself. But I would always recommend that you get someone, you know, that produces high quality covers that actually does it for a living, because at the end of the day, your book cover is extremely important. It's the very first impression, and they're gonna judge you by your book cover. If you have the best book in the world but your cover sucks, you're probably not gonna get a sale. Like, it's that shit. You can have the worst book ever and have the best cover, you're probably gonna sell a lot. You know, we've been in situations in the very beginning, we didn't edit none of our books or anything. We just threw stuff together and tried it out. But our covers looked really good. So the book sucked. It had a lot of bad reviews, but we made $10,000 from that book. Yeah. I was like, okay. You know the reviews suck. It's what it is. And you just check this right here, and then this is where you upload your book cover. All territories will be selected already, so this is just, people can buy your book from all around the world, and we want that. This is international money. This is where you put pricing, so you get to select your commission, and you can see right here, if you can see, it says it must be from $2.99 to $9.99 for 70% commission. If you're trying to price something at 99 cents, you have to hit 35. They won't let you do $2.99 for 35 because it's just lower. Anything above $9.99 is also priced 35% commission. And then you're going to allow lending for this book. You're going to, of course, the terms and condition, and you just hit publish your book. And it says it can take up to 72 hours, but most of the time we find that every single day, probably around 5 a.m. is usually whenever they, Eastern, is whenever they start putting the books live in the market. But it could possibly take up to 72 hours. If it takes that long, I would definitely send them an email, but usually they're on point with it.
What email is the best email? Just support? Amazon?
I think it's KDP-support. I have to get the email, but if you go to kdp.com and just go down to the bottom, like contact us, it should take you over there.
And congratulations, you're a published author.
All right, so typically we don't break into like the whole marketing side of things when it comes to like your email marketing and starting to build up your email list, because it's a lot to digest in one day. We know there's a lot of information as well, and that's why we're giving you these slides. So what we do have is 2 videos that you can watch on your own, so you can watch it over and over and over again on how we built out the autoresponders, created the account to begin the whole list building process, and then how BookFunnel works. For those of you who are not familiar with BookFunnel is a ebook distribution platform. So it's a way to distribute your book to your readers for free. So this would be the way that you would distribute it to them when they sign up to your email list. So these videos are inside of the Facebook group in the video section, or you can search MailChimp or BookFunnel inside of the group and you'll find it there. Cool?
So can you still have it uploaded through Amazon Kindle and yet still do go through, how long do you have to wait those 90 days?
No, so this, you would have to wait those 90 days. The free book that you'd be giving away would be separate from the book that you actually just published. So that would be your free offer that